How to temporarily deactivate your Messenger account on your iPhone 8 Plus. Before you begin, make sure your Facebook account is already deactivated. Messenger can only be deactivated after your Facebook account has been deactivated. Now, open the Messenger app on your iPhone. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the Settings icon. Then tap Account Center. Now scroll down and tap Manage Accounts. Then tap Manage next to your Facebook account. After that, select Deactivation or Deletion. Tap Deactivate Messenger, then tap Continue. If prompted, enter your Facebook password to confirm your identity, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deactivation process. Once the process is complete, your Messenger account will be temporarily deactivated. You won't receive new messages or calls until you sign back in. And that's how you can deactivate your Messenger account on your iPhone 8 Plus using the latest 2026 update. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.